Imagine an app that not only monitors your driving behavior but also helps you become a safer driver. That app is Autobeacon, an advanced driving behavior monitoring app that uses sensor data to score each of your trips on various safe driving parameters. But Autobeacon is not just about scoring your driving behavior. It's about helping you improve. Its main objective is to help drivers rate their driving behavior and progressively become safer drivers. With Autobeacon, you will not only be able to monitor your driving but also track your progress and become a more responsible driver. To start using the Autobeacon app, you'll need to sign up first. It's easy, just create an account and add your vehicle details. Also make sure to allow the app all necessary permissions like location access, physical activity access, and disabling battery optimization. This will enable the app to run in the background and function properly. We've created detailed step-by-step videos that you can follow to ensure that battery optimization is disabled. These videos will guide you through the process of manually disabling battery optimization on your phone, making it much easier to follow the steps and ensure that the Autobeacon app runs smoothly and accurately monitors your driving behavior. If you are not sure whether you've given all the necessary permissions to the Autobeacon app, you can easily check by going to the settings screen on your device. When you open the Autobeacon app, you'll see your weekly average safe driving score out of 100 right on the home screen. The app also generates a safe driving score and scores individual driving behaviors like overspeeding or sudden braking for each trip you take. Once you hit the road, the Autobeacon app will start recording your trip and generating trip scores automatically. You don't even need to start the app manually, just sit back and drive safely. Later on, you'll be able to view your trip scores and details in the app, giving you valuable insights into your driving behavior. You can easily view driving alerts for your trip on the map view. To do this, simply tap on the driving parameter that you want to see, and the app will show you the location and severity of the alert. Here's a quick overview of the different alerts in the Autobeacon app. Overspeeding. If you've been overspeeding during a trip, the Autobeacon app can show you where it happened, with clear indications of where each overspeeding alert began and ended. You'll also see the maximum speed reached during each overspeeding alert. Autobeacon app uses various mechanisms to determine whether you are driving in city or highway conditions and will adjust the speed limit threshold accordingly to ensure accuracy. Remember, your overspeeding score for a trip is calculated based on both the duration and severity of your overspeeding. Sudden braking is when a vehicle abruptly slows down, which generates a deceleration force that's measured in units called G. The severity of the sudden braking is classified as low, medium, or high, depending on how forceful the braking was. So, if you hit the brakes hard and come to a sudden stop, that would be considered a high-severity sudden braking event. Hard acceleration occurs when you suddenly increase your vehicle's speed. This force is measured in units of G, and the severity of the acceleration is determined by the app's low, medium, and high attribute rating system. Fast cornering is the driving behavior in which you take a sharp turn at a speed that's higher than what's considered safe. This behavior can also trigger the alert when you make a quick lane change. For two-wheelers, Zigzag riding may also result in this alert. The alert is measured in units of g, which is the centripetal acceleration force. The severity of the fast cornering or quick lane change driving alert is indicated by low, medium, and high attributes. Distracted driving is a dangerous behavior where drivers pick up their phones while driving. With the Autobeacon app, you can detect when you are engaging in this behavior. The app tracks actual phone pickups and texting movements during driving. If the vehicle is in motion when this happens, the app will flag it as distracted driving. However, if you are using a vehicle Bluetooth head unit or hands-free to make or receive calls, you won't need to pick up your phone for a significant amount of time. In this case, the app won't generate a distracted driving alert. Eco Driving Score is a key feature of the Autobeacon app. It's a star rating out of 5 that represents how eco-friendly your driving behavior was during each trip. The app calculates this score based on several parameters, like how often your speed changes during a trip, your acceleration and braking patterns, and how often you start and stop your vehicle. This helps you understand how smoothly you are driving, which can impact your fuel economy. On the All Trips screen, you'll be able to see a list of all your trips sorted by date. You can also view your safe driving score and see trip details such as the total distance you drove on any given day. It's a great way to keep track of your driving habits and monitor your progress over time. Don't forget to check out your weekly score trends on the Autobeacon app. It's a great way to keep track of your progress and see how you are doing over time. You can also mark your trip as either personal or official. This way, you can keep track of your driving behavior for work-related trips separately from your personal trips. On the settings screen of the app, you can decide whether to turn on or off the driving data collection. You can also switch on real-time driving alerts feature in the app. This feature gives driving alerts in real time when you are driving. These are voice and vibration alerts so that you don't have to view the app while driving.
Alert: overspeeding.
Real-time alerts are generated for overspeeding, sudden braking, hard acceleration, fast cornering. You can switch on/off real-time alerts from the other settings screen. You can set renewal dates for important vehicle-related documents. This include vehicle insurance, pollution certificate, vehicle registration, driving license, vehicle service due date. The app will automatically send weekly reminder alerts about 1 month before the expiration dates. See FAQ screen for more information regarding the app. View Autobeacon tutorial videos from within the FAQ screen. Our safety blog screen has important posts and articles on driving safety. We will notify you on new training material related to safe driving from time to time. You can view these from safety blog screen. App uses your location data to score driving behavior, so it needs constant location access. You can see your driving routes and unsafe behavior in the app. Safety admins can view driving behavior data but not your location information. App's battery usage is proportional to driving time. Typically, 2 to 3 hours of driving consumes 8 to 10% of the phone's battery. On some phones you may see a message saying the Autobeacon app is draining your battery. This happens because the app records driving behavior even when not open. Don't optimize the app needs to run in the background. Instead, monitor its usage on the battery usage screen. In conclusion, the Autobeacon app is a powerful telematics tool that can help you become a safer and more responsible driver. With its real-time feedback, detailed driving reports, and driving scores, you can monitor your driving behavior and improve your skills on the road. And with its customizable settings, you can choose how the app collects data and alerts you to potential issues. Download Autobeacon today and take control of your driving.